Please kindly click on the red subscribe button below this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks, God bless you as you do this.
Adejobi, the former PPRO of Ogun State. Please, where is he seated? Can you please stand up for recognition, sir? Please, Muyiwa Adejobi. Okay. God bless you. God bless you, sir.
Borrow me my tomorrow. Nobody kí ìyàwó mi kó yàwó mi ọ̀la ní tiẹ̀ dín. Nobody borrow me my tomorrow. So bóyè tí kíni ẹ bá tẹ wà á dẹ̀gbẹ́ ní o borrow me my tomorrow. Thank you very much. Please put your hands together. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you. Please. Put your hands together for Chairman. You can do better, please. Put your hands together, please. Hey, what the much of money for Shetia? All the showlets. All the people that's not bread.
Thank you so much for watching our videos. And importantly, you need to subscribe because we drop videos almost every day. You have to subscribe. There's a circle here written Gboah TV. Click on it, you see a subscribe button. Click on the subscribe button. That's all.
And if any event just take place or you heard something, just go on YouTube, search for Gboah TV. You see the.
And if you have a big show coming up, any event, you can call us.